Drunk driving consequences include fines, criminal records, and injuries. Part 2. Financial repercussions. From state to state, a DUI conviction has quite different financial repercussions. They will also be based on the specifics of the crime, including its circumstances and whether it was a first, second, or subsequent violation. DUI convictions might be costly enough to leave you permanently unable to support yourself. To help you understand how much money you could potentially lose by drinking and driving, we have put together a preliminary estimate of the costs related to a first-time DUI charge. Remember that these are simply estimates and that the true expense can turn out to be much higher. Bail fees range from $100 to $2,500. If you've been charged with DUI for the first time, you'll probably spend at least 24 hours in jail. Towing, impounding, and roadside cleanup costs range from $100 to $1,500. The price of an attorney ranges from $1,500 to $6,000. Fines range from $100 to $2,000. Jail fees range from $10 to $300. Sentencing costs range from $100 to $250. Probation fees range from $200 to $1,200. Costs for blood and urine tests range from $100 to $200. Driver responsibility fines range from $1,000 to $2,500. Applicable in some states. Court-ordered treatment or alcohol education classes cost between $1,000 and $3,000. The cost to install an ignition interlock device on your car is between $500 and $1,500. Increases in insurance premiums from $1,000 to $10,000. A DUI conviction could cost you up to $6,000, even using the lowest estimate for each of these expenses. You may face financial damages of more than $20,000 in DUI cases with higher costs. Remember that these are first-time offenders. The penalty of a DUI conviction will likely be at least twice as high for second and third convictions. Also excluded from this computation are the costs associated with lost productivity, time away from work, medical expenses, compensation, and money spent on alternate modes of transportation. Effects on society. They will bear the direct cost of your conduct if you collide with another road user while driving drunk. Your error will indirectly have an impact on thousands more people. For illustration, law enforcement, property damage, legal fees, and public service announcements are just a few of the costs that hard-working taxpayers must cover. Hundreds of people might be tardy for crucial events like school, work, or dates as a result of the traffic disturbance you produced. Anyone who is typically served or taken care of by the individuals you have disrupted will also suffer. Due to the local problem with drunk driving, which you have helped to create, drivers may have to deal with more arbitrary DUI checks. Due to reckless drivers like you, funding for alcohol education and other anti-DUI initiatives will be diverted from other crucial public services. Our nation is financially collapsing as a result of negligent drunk driving. According to conservative estimates, the consequences of drunk driving and the effort to combat it cost the U.S. billions of dollars annually. Do not drink and drive if you value your future, the future of those you love, and the health of our nation's economy.